Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the Modicon M221 training. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're gonna see is how we can use Boolean variables inside the function blocks that we create. So let's go to the software. So let's start by creating a new function block. Here inside the function block, we had a possibility to add a user-defined function block. So here we can define a name. I believe we already covered this by my FB. And here we have a possibility to add Boolean and Boolean outputs. But what happens if you want to do something here to play with a different condition? So let's create a new variable here. So what we need to do is to create a variable. So it's going to be fake bool. So then apply this. So in order to use the Boolean part, we need to access to each individual bits inside the word that we have. So if we got this like this, we just need to access to the fake bool colon x and the number of the bit, so number 0. Okay, so you are accessing to the first bit. So now if I put this one and this one, it's just gonna be %i_0 because it's the same this name over here, %i_1. Now we're going to create another one just to mention or show you that it works. So I'm gonna copy this fake bool over here. I'm going to move this to the bit 10. Okay, I'm going to negate this, and then I'm going to just to show that it works, q_0, and I'm going to copy this over here, the bit 10. So when I have the two inputs, this one will be 0, and when none of them is in true, they will go to true. So let's go to implement this and see if it works. This is just to show you the purpose that it allows you to do this. So here in the top, oops, I select my FB, put it over here, and add two inputs here to the block. Address M10, address M0, address M1, then let's simulate and see how it works. So play, yeah. So you can see this one is true. So if I force one of these one, true, true. There we go, just go. Both of them needs to be in true because they are in series. Okay, you can see that it works. So this is like a way to use internal booleans. I saw that question recently, so I think it's going to be good to mention this. So this is how you can use internal Boolean variables inside our what's it called, user-defined function blocks that we have in the software. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.